How to save channels on SiriusXM. Turn on your car's radio or device and switch to the SiriusXM satellite radio mode. Use the tuning controls to find the SiriusXM channel you want to save. When you have the channel you want, press and hold one of the preset number buttons on your radio or infotainment system until you see a confirmation on the screen or hear a beep. This channel is now saved to the preset number for quick access anytime. To access your saved channels, just press the corresponding preset button whenever you want to listen to it. If your system supports favorites, you can often tap a heart icon or press sign next to a channel to add it to your favorite list for even easier access. For touchscreen infotainment systems, long pressing a channel in the channel list can also bring up options to add a preset or favorites. If you want to remove or replace a saved channel, simply press and hold the preset button again while tuned to a new channel you want to save over it. Some systems allow you to store multiple music channels under a single preset. Check your vehicle's guide if the feature is available. Make sure you are not using any unauthorized devices or softwares that interfere with SiriusXM services. To comply with legal terms and YouTube policies, subscribe.